Does GoDaddy use AWS? Yes, GoDaddy has been leveraging Amazon Web Services, AWS, since 2018 to enhance its infrastructure and service offerings. This strategic partnership enables GoDaddy to utilize AWS's extensive cloud services, including machine learning, analytics, databases, and containers, to innovate and scale its operations effectively. 1. Migration to AWS. Initiation. In early 2018, GoDaddy announced a multi-year transition to migrate the majority of its infrastructure to AWS. Objectives: innovation acceleration, leveraging AWS's services to expedite product and service delivery. Global deployment, utilizing AWS's global infrastructure to deploy services worldwide efficiently. Enhanced performance, improving service reliability and scalability through AWS's robust cloud solutions. Second, implementation of AWS services. GoDaddy has integrated various AWS services into its operations. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, facilitates the management of Kubernetes workloads, allowing GoDaddy to run containerized applications seamlessly. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, P3 instances, enhances machine learning model training, improving the performance of tools like GoDaddy domain appraisals. AWS Service Catalog and AWS Config assists in governance and compliance, ensuring that deployed services adhere to organizational standards. Third, development of internal tools. To streamline the migration and onboarding process, GoDaddy developed Public Cloud Portal, an internal application that facilitates the onboarding of engineering teams to AWS, promoting efficient cloud adoption. Standard Cloud Platform provides a standardized approach for deploying and managing services on AWS, ensuring consistency and security across the organization. Fourth, collaboration with AWS Professional Services. GoDaddy partnered with AWS Professional Services to custom AWS landing zone, establish a tailored environment for deploying applications securely and efficiently, enhance security and compliance, implement best practices for identity and access management, configuration monitoring, and API management.